What's up everyone, Good Investor here. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. Wanted to drop this new video. It is going to be solely about cryptocurrency, some of the really big things that happen in the market. I want to specifically feature Ethereum, Dogecoin, as well as Cartesi. Cartesi because for the past couple of days I've been making some of the videos already, so make sure you watch those in case you're interested, because Cartesi is definitely going somewhere. Really big things happening in the market around it. So in this video I just wanted to keep it a little bit shorter and talk specifically on the price update and some of the things that I think the crypto is going, but also some of the things that has happened over the weekend, specifically Elon Musk hosting SNL, which definitely impacted the Doge price. Wanted to make an update on that as well. So really big things that happen in the crypto industry. If you're invested, definitely a really good video to watch till the end. So let's deep dive. But before I do that, let's talk a little bit about the channel. It's been a month that I created it, and we have had a massive ride so far. It's been 370 of us so far. I'm very appreciative. Thank you very much for being with me. Really big goals for the next couple of months. So without you, I can never ever achieve them. So I'm very appreciative that you are in this video right now today. So without further ado, let's deep dive into the video right away. So let's talk and go on Coinbase right now. Look what happened. I mean, the crypto industry had a massive ride. We can see that the crypto industry overall did go down, and we can see here that the charts are sort of similar to all of them. So what does this tell you as an investor? This tells you this is a market-wide sell-off on crypto, not specifically focusing on one or two, but the market overall is selling it off for the reason of people just taking their profits away. That's one of the things that I am thinking of, because I mean, we've had a great ride on Ethereum, for example, that it reached all-time high literally yesterday and today as well, reaching $4,000 point, which was a milestone for many. And this is sort of a psychological thing. I don't understand why people do that, but this is more of a psychological, that people like to actually sell off during those round numbers. And we've seen it overall throughout historically. So this is one of those days as well. So we can see that this is a market sell-off, nothing really major. So that was on Ethereum side. Another thing that it's really interesting, because this is sort of following some of the things that is happening on the stock market as well. We can see that technology index, NASDAQ, have dropped as well today, and that is telling me that on the NASDAQ, of course, it happens on the things around inflation side, that people are fearing inflation, rising interest rates, but that is on the tech sell-off. But that tech sell-off actually is correlating a little bit with the crypto industry, which is also on the technology side. So definitely very interesting charts to look at, and I'm really excited, because such situations like today, it's actually a perfect time. I see this as an opportunity to go into the stock market, crypto market, excuse me, and average down some of the things that I am already invested, and Ethereum is one of them as well as Cartesi. So there was a little update on the crypto industry. Another thing is that we all know that over the weekend, Elon Musk hosted SNL. It did impact a lot on the Dogecoin price. We can see that a lot of people were waiting for the Doge price go up, and its price was pumped to about 73 cents, which is absolutely phenomenal, and which is also a great thing, but at the same time a little bit sad, because a lot of people, and especially it tells me that a lot of whales have just took their profits away, and which led to the price go down. Definitely we're too early to say these things about whales, because this just happened in the market. I'm very sure that within the next couple of days we'll be having some big news, because as people will deep dive into the wallets and see what exactly happened on the transaction side, and we can see that who exactly sold off their Doge. So definitely big things, but we can see that actually when SNL happened yesterday, the price of Dogecoin did drop significantly. Some of the things that we've been talking on this channel as well, it was kind of expected, because as you know, right, I mean, a lot of people were talking about it as well. Buying rumors, selling news. So definitely news happened, so people starting selling off and taking their profits. And this is not news for us anymore, right? We had a Doge Day on April 20th, and the exact same thing happened. I mean, we had a great ride, and then it literally dropped on Doge Day, which is a little sad because a lot of people were waiting for that, and because of those paper hands, the ones who were holding, they became the ones who were holding the bag, which is of course a little sad. But I do see some positive things here too. I mean, look at this chart. The Doge Day happened, the price did go down, but we did have a massive upturn after that. So something based on the charts as well telling me that there is something similar waiting for us as well down the road, because anyone who is technical analyst, which means who's judging based on the chart, we can see that there's something definitely coming for Doge as well. So great things, something positive as well. And another thing as well that I see as a positive thing is that when SNL happened, definitely it does promote awareness. And a lot of people who did not know about Doge, which is a lot of them actually, despite the fact that a lot of us are hearing about Doge, there's more and more people out there who never even heard about Doge. So SNL was actually the reason for Doge's awareness, and I'm very sure that a lot of people hearing that on SNL and Elon Musk talking about it, I think this will support awareness, and a lot of people are opening new wallets and investing on Dogecoin. So I see it as a positive thing. So that is definitely a great thing. So within the next couple of days, usually it happens within 4 to 5 days when those new investor get a market adjusted. So definitely something to look at within the next 4 or 5 days. So that is my couple of words on Dogecoin. Another thing that I mentioned during the beginning of the video is Cartesi. So Cartesi, as I made in other videos as well, Cartesi is actually based on Ethereum blockchain. It is same as Bitcoin and Cardano. It is having a limited supply, which means that it's not inflationary, it's rather deflationary, which means that its price will not be going down as there would be more and more coins mined. So which is a great thing. Another thing is that its price actually did go down because of the massive rally that it had. It actually reached 175, and as I said in the previous videos, when Cartesi was just listed on Coinbase, it was listed around 70 cents, 70 to 80 cents, but then it has a great ride of more than 100% gain, which is amazing. And today was a reason of market going down because it's an overall broad market. So nothing happened on the Cartesi side. Not that it was Cartesi specific, it was the overall market, which is to some extent a good thing to happen, because I would rather have it a entire market going down, whereas a specific coin like Cartesi going down, but rather other coins going up. So definitely a perfect opportunity for those of you who are trying to average down, and I would be amongst those people who would want to average down because I bought Cartesi within the several periods. I bought it when it was just got in, but I also bought it when it was around these areas, 140, 150. So definitely a great opportunity to average down and get some of the get your average down as well. So I made a sole video earlier in case you haven't watched it. There's a price prediction as well. I definitely see coin reaching the milestone of $3. So this would be an absolutely amazing opportunity to get into the coin as well. So that was some of the things that I wanted to talk about the market. Let me know what you guys think, specifically about Dogecoin and Cartesi movement. I would love to hear your thoughts. I want to talk to you about them as well in the future videos. Love you. Talk to you later.